Now let's see some problems on this property. I have written the property as well here. So integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power nx dx is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power nx dx. So that is equal to, you are going to write it this way: n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, n minus 4, n minus 5, so on until either you reach 2 by 3 or 1 by 2, and then multiply the entire thing with k. Now where that k is going to be pi by 2 if n is even, or it is going to be 1 if n is odd. Okay, now how to solve this is, we shall see some examples, then you will understand how to use this one. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power 8x dx, this is what you want. So how are you going to do it? So n, here in this place n is 8, so 8 and then n minus 1, n minus 1, like that, n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, like that. Okay, so 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and finally we are going to reach to 1 in this case, right? So when are you going to stop? Either you reach 1 by 2 or 2 by 3, then you are going to stop. Then what is that you are going to multiply it with? That depends on what this number is, right? In this case, since the number is 8, which means the number is even, so you multiply it with pi by 2. So multiplying with pi by 2, so you got 35 pi by 256. Now question number 2, integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power 5x dx. So this is what you want. Now again you are going to do the same thing, n minus 1, n minus 2, like this. So 5, 4 and 3, 2. So since you have reached 2 by 3, you can stop there. Either you reach 1 by 2 or you reach 2 by 3, you are going to stop. Okay, and then multiply it with what? That depends on this value. So since this value is odd, you have to multiply it with 1, right? So in this case you got 8 by 15. Now the next one is integral 0 to pi by 2 cos cube x dx. So again you can do the same thing, n minus 1, like that. But then if you see it, right away we got 2 by 3, so you have to stop it there and multiply with pi by 2 or 1, that depends on the value of n here. Now since it is odd, multiply it with 1, so you are going to get 2 by 3, right? And next one is integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power 6x dx. So how to solve it? Now again n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, like that. So if you write like this, 6, 5, 4, 3 and 2, 1, which means we have reached 1 by 2 and we are going to stop there. Multiply with what number? That depends here. So since it is an even number, you are going to multiply with pi by 2. So here you got 15 pi by 96. Got it? Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.